Hey guys, so today I'm advertising Style You and I'm advertising this raincoat. So this is me advertising this raincoat, and yeah, I love you guys so much. So get rid of it. Shoo. I'm sorry for the dickhead behind the camera. So Style MJ, the raincoat company that I am advertising, and this raincoat, the raincoat that I am wearing. Yeah. So don't click this link, right? It's fake link. So don't try to search it on Google or anything like that. So yeah. Oh, sorry. There was nothing. StyleMJ.com. It's fake link. This raincoat is for raining situation. After that, it's useless. But wait, where is the rain? Where? Wow! It's raining! Wow! Oh, wow! It's useful, right? Yay! Rain! Don't forget to watch this video so I can get 30 million views only in 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can get 1 million subscribers in 2 days. Don't even like or dislike this video because I will hide it. Yeah, I never ever eat dogs. Hope everyone likes pancakes. Please.